Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the brand new Google Pixel 9, a phone that's been making waves as a brilliant, budget-friendly entry into the Pixel 9 family. If you're curious whether this phone is worth your hard-earned money, stick around because I've got all the details you need. First up, the design. Google has taken a bold step with the Pixel 9's look. Gone is the bulky camera island we're used to seeing. Instead, the Pixel 9a sports an almost entirely flat rear panel with a small, sleek, stadium-shaped glass section housing its two cameras. This minimalist, flat design extends to the sides and the screen, making the phone incredibly comfortable to hold and pocket-friendly. It's 8.9 millimeters thick and weighs just 186 grams, striking a great balance between sturdiness and portability. The aluminum frame adds a touch of premium feel, while the plastic back cleverly mimics glass, though it's a bit flexible. Plus, the phone is IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, so it's built to last in everyday conditions. Now, let's talk about the display. The Pixel 9a features a 6.3-inch Actua screen with a crisp 1080 by 2424 resolution and a smooth 60 to 120 Hz refresh rate. It also boasts a peak brightness of 2,700 nits, which means it's bright enough for outdoor use. Some might notice the bezels are a bit larger than on other phones, but honestly, after an hour of use, they just fade into the background. Camera performance is always a big deal with Pixels, right? The Pixel 9a packs a 48MP main camera with optical image stabilization and a 13MP wide-angle lens that includes a handy macro mode. While it doesn't have a telephoto lens, the 2x zoom is decent for everyday shots. Google's AI-powered features like Magic Editor, Best Take, and AdMe really enhance the photography experience. The photos come out detailed and neutral, though sometimes colors can be a bit underwhelming or underexposed, likely due to the absence of spectral sensor found in higher-end models. But don't worry. Google Photos editing tools make it easy and even fun to tweak your shots to perfection. Overall, it's a reliable camera that you can trust in most situations, even if you might spend a little extra time editing. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a runs on Google's Tensor G4 chip paired with 8 GB of RAM. This is the same processor found in the pricier Pixel 9 models, so you're getting solid performance here. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or playing games, the phone handles it smoothly without overheating or lagging. Gaming sessions can warm up the device a bit, but it stays comfortable to hold. Call quality is excellent, with strong signal reception even in low-coverage areas, and the stereo speakers get impressively loud for podcasts and music. Battery life? Absolutely impressive. The Pixel 9a houses a 5,100 mAh battery, delivering around 5 hours of screen-on time even with moderate use. It supports 22W wired charging and 7W wireless charging. Yes, wireless charging is included even on this budget model, which is fantastic. The downside is that wired charging is a bit slow, taking about 1 hour and 45 minutes for a full charge. So if you're in a hurry, that's something to keep in mind. Software-wise, the Pixel 9a runs Android 15, which is smooth, responsive, and clean. Google promises a long update commitment, 7 years of major OS and security updates, so this phone will stay fresh and secure for a long time. The default virtual assistant, Gemini, brings powerful AI features like document summarization and video generation right to your fingertips. There are also handy safety features like car crash detection and theft protection built in. Price and availability? The Pixel 9a starts at $499 for the 128 GB model, with a 256 GB option at $599. It comes in 4 stylish colors: iris, peony, porcelain, and obsidian. For anyone wanting a pure Google experience without breaking the bank, this phone is a standout choice. So what's the verdict? The Google Pixel 9a is a true Pixel phone that doesn't feel like a compromised budget model. It nails the essentials: great battery life, clean and updated software, a capable camera system, and a unique, comfortable design. Sure, wired charging is slow, and some photos might need a little editing, but these are minor quibbles in a phone that offers so much value. If you're considering the Pixel 9a, you're getting a brilliant phone that stands proudly in the Pixel lineup without forcing you to pay extra for the flagship features. All too often the base phone gets a recommendation with the caveat you'd be wise to spend the extra to get the next model up, but that's not the case with the Pixel 9a. It's an excellent phone on its own, and unless you're playing a lot of games or really want to take a lot of photos, there's no real need to get the Pixel 9. I've been really satisfied with the Pixel 9a, and think you'll be too. If you enjoyed this review and want more tech insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.